Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners on Bob Chino. So quick spike down Bitcoin into this buy zone again where the dip buyers keep buying. So we're about below 9,100 and you get the sharp down and you start watching for a reversal. I also put on our GAN levels, so I was targeting 9,045. Dip below that, then closed above it. So then we started watching for the reversal. Got a candle up, then we broke that high, watching for a return to the rotation zone and this little resistance ledge, which coming in about 9,300. Next area we'll be watching is to the upside. It's about 9,370. And then if we start getting above there, we'll start watching the 95 to 95.26. Updated these key levels again. Again, if we sell off again now, I can take these lower, but that's what you can see the reaction at these levels. So whenever we really break below this 9,100, and I'm going to drop this level down now, just to reflect the most recent price action. So you see here, dip below that level, dip below that level, here, and here, dip below that level, and buying. So that's a key level. Now, at some point, if there's enough selling pressure, that level will break. People who bought the dips will have to turn around and start selling if the things keep going. However, that's where I start watching for reversals right now. Just as we start watching for selling pressure up here at the top, we start watching for buying pressure down here at the bottom. Taking a look at the daily chart, I mean, we've been in this whole range now. You can see here, really, we entered this range back at the beginning of May. And we've tested both sides of the range, but we've been in this huge consolidation pattern since May. Dip buyers coming in lower, dip and rally sellers coming in higher. So that's all we're watching for, dip below that 50 right now. But really, every one of these moving averages are going flat and into congestion now. So I'm just watching the significant levels and the prior price support and resistance levels. That's all we're doing. If there's other signals, I'll call them out, but until then, just watch for those key levels. And once you test one side, it generally rallies and tries to test the other. Now, if it fails early and rotates back down, then the dip buyers could be in trouble, and that's where I'll start watching, for a potential break. Same if it rallies up and it keeps going through the key levels and the sellers, have sold and then it starts rallying, then I'll start watching for higher prices. But until then, we're in a range. That's all I can say. Taking a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum put up the levels here too, from this key high to this low. Dipping down, I was watching 228.36 and 226.07. Dipping below that 228.36 and closing above it. Watching for this candle and watch it break the high. Then identifying the key resistance level. I'll put that on the chart right now, just so you can see what I was watching. So, all right, this key candle, so it comes in with this little key high. Then I was watching this, all right, this little resistance shelf. And look at that, resistance, resistance, resistance. There's some separation in the rotation zone, so I was somewhat paying attention to that, but I'll really start getting to where I'll watch for the 238.18 level if we get above 235.50. Right now, we haven't been able to get above that. If we continue to sell back down, let me move these out of the way now because we've had a nice little rally. Key support area. There's really a zone. Let me zoom out for a second. Really a zone. You can see here on the daily chart. I'm just going to mark this off with some of these candle bodies. Remember, recent price action is more important than past price action, but I'm just looking for confirmation. So you see here, dipping below, I have a line 227.70. Dip below it today, rallied back up. Open there, strong rally. Could not get below it, could not dip below it, rallied back up. Dip below it, rallied back up. Touch that level, touch that level. Dip below it, rallied back up. Touch the level, dip below it, closed above it. Dip below it, strong rally back up. So that's a key level I'm paying attention to. If we get a key close below that 227.70, I'll really start watching for lower prices. But if we get a dip and then a rally back up, dip buyers are still coming in. So you can play a shorter term signal and scalp the market that way. That's what we have for you in Ethereum and Bitcoin. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.